Hey everyone, love camping but hate struggling with weak stoves and unstable flames? Today on Tech Kingo, we are checking out the best foldable camping stove that brings real cooking power to the outdoors. It is compact, strong, and built for adventure without the usual hassle. Let's get started. Meet the ODSD Foldable Camping Stove. ODSD designed this stove to make outdoor cooking easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you are camping deep in the woods or setting up at a tailgate, this stove is built to handle it. One of the first things you will notice is the innovative magnetic closure. It makes setting up and folding down the stove smooth and secure. You do not have to struggle with complicated clips or loose parts. It saves time and effort, especially when you are outdoors and just want to start cooking quickly. Safety is another big highlight. The ODSD foldable camping stove includes a windproof shield that helps stabilize the flame. When you are cooking outside, wind can easily affect the heat and cause uneven cooking. This shield keeps the flame steady and reliable. It also helps protect your hands from hot oil splashes, which adds an extra layer of safety while frying or grilling. Now let's talk about power. This stove features dual burners that deliver up to 20,000 BTUs of heat. That means you get strong and consistent performance for boiling water, frying eggs, grilling meat, or cooking full meals. Each burner is independently adjustable, so you can control the heat on both sides separately. You might simmer sauce on one side while boiling water on the other. It gives you flexibility just like a home kitchen. Even with all that power, the ODSD stove is surprisingly portable. When folded, it measures just 10.63 by 9.06 by 5.12 inches and weighs only 3.98 pounds. It easily fits into the included durable carry bag. This makes it simple to pack in your car, backpack, or emergency kit. You get strong performance without carrying something bulky or heavy. Durability is another strong point. The stove is built with 304 stainless steel, which is known for its strength and resistance to rust. The burners are rust-resistant, and the shell is heat-proof. This means the ODSD foldable camping stove can handle repeated use in tough outdoor conditions. Rain, heat, or rough terrain will not easily wear it down. A nice bonus feature is the included coffee stand. You can brew fresh coffee right next to your breakfast or dinner. It is a small detail, but it makes mornings at the campsite much more enjoyable. Overall, the ODSD foldable camping stove combines smart design, powerful heat, strong materials, and compact portability. It gives you the confidence to cook proper meals wherever your adventure takes you. Ready to upgrade your outdoor cooking game? Check the price link in the description and see if it is the right fit for your next trip. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome gear and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.